30 days vlogs. Hola.
No.
Yes.
Habla tu gente.
Uno,
No.
3, 4, 5, 6,
7,
8, 9, 10. I just had to have the talk with my host siblings. I don't mean like the sex talk. I mean explaining what the N word means and explain what the F word is and why that's a bad thing to say. And they don't get it. Like they kind of do. But then I'm like, oh yeah, I'm just gonna run to the bathroom. And as I'm leaving, they're just like throwing the words around, but they just don't get it. And I'm like, okay, look, I'm gonna explain this to you. And after this, I don't ever want to hear these words again. But you need to understand the weight of these words so you know why not to say them. Like that was my logic, you know? Educating someone is better than just scolding them for saying whatever they're saying. Like I get the argument to just let it go, but at the same time, like I don't want to walk around in a house where I'm supposed to feel comfortable for the last 2 weeks that I'm here and hear racial slurs being thrown around without the weight of them being known and hearing swear words being used without knowing the severity of them. You know?
Así todo grabando.
They came up with the game where I play Mission Impossible on the kazoo. And if I can get them on camera, then I win. And if I can't, then they win. So here we go. Chilling on the couch because my stomach hurts.